warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Auliana Akila. Today I would like to tell you article review from the first article until the 10th article. The title that I choose is focus on speaking anxiety and confidence. The first article is exploring English teaching strategy to build student confidence to practice speaking English. This article discusses teaching strategies used by English teachers to build a student confidence in speaking English. The study is focused on three main strategy that use our partner word, model talk, and story reenactment. And then the research method used was qualitative case study over 6 weeks. And the researcher found that interactive classroom activity helps reduce student anxiety and encourage them to participate more actively in speaking activities. And the article concludes that supportive learning environments and appropriate teaching strategy play an important role in improving students' confidence and motivate to speak English. The second article is talk about speaking anxiety as a factor in study EFL. This article examines speaking anxiety as a major factor affecting student ability to speak English. The study identify several causes of anxiety, including communication apprehension, fear of negative evaluation, and test anxiety. The findings show that speaking anxiety can affect both high achieving and low achieving students. The author suggests that teachers should create a comfortable and community supportive classroom atmosphere to help students reduce anxiety and improve their speaking performance. Next, for the third article is the fact of confidence and self-esteem in development of English speaking skill. This article investigates the impact of self-confidence and self-esteem on student English speaking skill. The study reveals that students with higher self-confidence are more willing to participate in a classroom discussion and speaking activity. Using mixed method, the researchers found that confidence and self-esteem significantly influence speaking performance. The article emphasized the importance of developing a positive esteem perception among students to enhance their communication skill. And next, for the fourth article is a study of student anxiety in speaking. This article explores student anxiety in speaking English and the strategy they use to overcome it. The findings indicate the self-perception, classroom situation, and fear of making mistakes are the main causes of speaking anxiety. Through this classroom observation and interview, the researchers discovered that students who understand their anxiety and apply a coping strategy become more comfortable and confident in speaking activities. Fifth article, an analysis of student anxiety in speaking. This study analyzed the factor causing students speaking anxiety English classroom. The result shows the lack of familiarity with the speaking task, fear of making mistake, low motivation, and lack of confidence are the most common factor. The article highlights that speaking anxiety reduces students' willingness to participate in the classroom communication and suggests that teachers provide more supportive learning experience. The sixth article is a growing dilemma: English speaking anxiety in EFL. This article review speaking anxiety in EFL classroom by analyzing findings from the numerous previous studies. The authors conclude that fear of making mistakes, a fear of evaluations, and low confidence that are the most dominant causes of anxiety. The review also explained that factors such as gender, proficiency levels, and educational backgrounds that factors may influence anxiety levels. Overall, speaking anxiety is identified as a common challenge in a learning language. The seventh article is analysis of debate skill on learning confidence and anxiety. This article discusses how debate activity influence students' confidence and anxiety when speaking English. The findings indicate that debate participation helps students become more confident, active, and willing to express their opinion. In addition, debate improves vocabulary, fluency, and critical thinking skills. The study demonstrates that regular speaking practice through debate can reduce anxiety and strengthen communication ability. This finding provides a solution to the problem identified in Article 4 and the 6. The eighth article, the influence of self-confidence of English language learning. This article reviews various studies on the influence of self-confidence on English language learning. This article shows that self-confidence students participate more actively in the classroom activities to achieve better language learning outcomes. By reviewing previous studies, and the author concludes that confidence positively affect motivation, communication skill, and overall academic achievement in English. This article reinforced the finding at first, third, and the seventh article, which emphasized the importance of self-confidence in learning language. For the ninth article is a factor causing student challenge in learning English speaking skill. This article review factor causing students difficulties in learning English speaking skills. The author identified several challenges, including anxiety, lack of vocabulary, lack of confidence, shyness, and grammar difficulties, and insufficient speaking practice. The study concludes that both linguistic and psychological factors contribute to speaking problem, and that supportive learning environments are necessary to help students improve. This article combines the findings discussed in a previous article. The last article is a self-confidence factor of EFL students in speaking class. The article examines a factor affecting EFL students' self-confidence in speaking classes. The findings reveal that negative experience, criticism, social influence, and emotional condition often reduce students' confidence. The study emphasized the importance of positive feedback, supportive classroom and environments, and regular speaking practice in helping students develop stronger confidence and better speaking performance. For the conclusion is based on the 10 review articles, speaking anxiety remain of the biggest challenges faced by EFL students. Factors such as fear of making mistakes, a fear of negative evaluation, low confidence, and limited speaking practice often prevents students from communicating actively in English. At the same time, self-confidence is constantly identified as a key factor that supports successful to confidence to speak English. And the relation among that article are all the 10 articles discuss English speaking skill, particularly the relationship between speaking anxiety and self-confidence. Article 2, 4, 5, and 6 focus on cause speaking anxiety, such as fear of making mistake, fear of negative evaluation, and lack of confidence. And for the article 1, 3, 7, 8, and 10 emphasize the importance of self-confidence and strategy to help students become more confident to speak. Meanwhile, the article 9 combines both perspectives by discussing linguistic and psychological challenges in speaking English. And the article said that teachers should create supportive classroom environment, provide positive feedback, and use interactive learning activities to encourage students to speak more confidently. Therefore, reducing anxiety and strengthening self-confidence are essential steps in helping students to develop better English speaking skills. But I think that's it for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.